wanted to share with you all October and November's BoxyCharm, so let's take a look. The theme for October is Spellbound. First item is from House Laboratories. This is a shimmer powder. Here is a swatch of what the color looks like and has a little bit of shimmer in it. Next up from Julep, these are makeup removing wipes. Next up from Laura Geller is a primer. Next up from Hinale, this is a matte bronzer. Next up from Glow Recipe is this highlighting serum. November's theme is invite only. The first product I pull out is from Bodyography. This is a makeup brush cleanser. Next up from Bella Pierre, this is a liquid eyeliner. Here are some brushes from Luxie. Next up from Glow Oasis, this is a milk toner. The last item is this beautiful Violet Voss palette. I love the colors, glad it has a mirror, perfect for travel. Here's everything I received in both boxes. I really do like BoxyCharm, and it's only $25. Let me know what you guys received, and if you guys like BoxyCharm, like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.